Welcome to iFixLog web application. In this video, you'll learn how to perform supervised facies classification for any well in under 5 minutes. We'll start with loading the logs. The supported formats are LAS and CSV. In this example, we'll filter the depth to the zone of interest. Then save the filtered logs for subsequent machine learning training. Exploratory data analysis allows you to visualize the well logs, review histograms, examine correlations, and cross-plot the logs. For this session, we'll skip it and continue to the next step. Start with the guide to gain a better understanding of the algorithms. Now plot the Facies log against the other logs. If needed, go back to adjust the colors and Facies names, then replot. Go to the classification setup. Choose the features, for example, input logs, either manually or automatically. Let's keep it simple here. Next, select the algorithms and their hyperparameters, then train the models. See how each model performs with its confusion matrix and compare them in the Model Comparison dashboard. In the Results and Evaluation section, you can plot the predicted facies from the trained models alongside the selected well logs and compare them with the actual facies log. If needed, go back and try other algorithms. Otherwise, continue to the next step. Now, apply the trained models to a new well. Load the new well data and make sure it includes the same logs with identical names as those used in the training well. Here, you can view the predicted facies logs and export them in CSV format. Next, open the Automatic Reporting section. Here, you can export a PDF report containing useful insights from the machine learning training. Finally, download the report and take a look at the results. We're finished. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.